No, for the Friday morning TGIF, I had to know the Southern Railway before I was walking on the southbound side of the Queensboro Bridge, the trap yards. Anyway, so and then got filmed the ICBC lot and still shot film 2 just to make this a little compilation and try to give it a try, and then got the Valley eastbound job just before I was left out of the yards for its Friday run, I think, to the Burke Newton area, and then they may be proceeding afterwards out to the Huntington part of the Chilliwack area to pick up the freight from the other side. I believe that's what they usually do Monday for Wednesday and possible Fridays too. They should go to Huntington, or they serve the Sperling side too. So there's a few different options I just including in here. So anyways, yeah, I got a few cars came out there, poppers, center beams, and I think it was there coil car they took out too. But anyways.